Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to join Apple public beta to test new iPhone features. That means you will receive the updates before the normal iPhone users will receive their updates. So to do that, you just need to go to settings, and after that go to scroll down a little bit, go to general, and after that go to software update. So as you can see here, we have the second option, beta updates. You can turn it on or off as you want or like you want. But for this option, you just need to know only one thing, that if you are a beta tester, you need to know that sometimes the beta version of the iOS may contain some errors or some bugs. So that's why you need always to make a backup to your phone before installing beta updates. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and see you in the